What's going on, guys? So today we're at the Houston Auto Show 2019. Sorry if I'm a little like in your face, like using a different lens and using the Sony, so it's pretty kind of crunched. I'm sorry. What preview night has to offer. You look good, man. How are you? How are you? Good to see you.
Food, chicken, rice. What is that?
Chicken, rice, red beans, hot sauce.
Yes, Superleggera. That's the latest. That's what the company affectionately calls the...
Now look at that, the iPad guy is getting the shot. Wow.
The guy with the iPad kind of had me beat, but at the same time we had that car at the car culture show about 2 or 3 months ago, so wasn't too mad.
The hood slits.
That is the new Alfa Romeo Stelvio right there. It has a little over 500 horsepower, and from what I heard, it set a pretty fast numbering time, something like 740, I think. So cool to have it here, but you know, there's no portfolio. I think this is just the base Alpha. Trucks, yeah, I saw that. Look, my brand, even though there's no S2000.
Transmission problems.
Do they? What's wrong with this?
Some people have been getting lockouts in cold weather.
Really?
And overheating in hot weather. Apparently that was with early VINs.
Yeah.
My God, that is so H-Town. Hey, look at this guy. I mean, he just shoved his whole arm up the one of the vents there. Sheesh. He's leaving with an erection.
Yeah, I've invested in boxer briefs. Or just briefs actually, and it really keeps everything down.
Oh, Butch just put the carbon fiber hood on it. Gabe was telling me it weighs about a whole 4 pounds.
Yeah.
So.
And this is real carbon. It's matte. It's a matte finish. It's not a wrap.
Wow. Man, I'm liking that hood. That's cool.
The fishing lure!
You gotta chill. This car is not a lure.
We're all getting out here.
Yeah. Alright, Darren, I see you at the D3 booth doing your thing. Got a random hood back here. I don't know what the wrap's called. And maybe it's just a Supreme wrap. Ooh, look, do you see him NOS? Man.
Fast.
Yeah, I remember whenever he told me he was like, it had 700 horsepower, and then he said he was gonna add a couple more stuff, and now it has, I think, 900 or 1,000 horsepower.
Yeah.
Your car looks great. Sorry, my girlfriend called it a fishing lure.
Chill, don't.
And Butch's E30 looks so good.
Is this the one that was up?
Yes. That massive diffuser.
The Morgan immediately. The Morgan was a lot from
That, man, it's crazy. Parachute and everything. We have more Imperial cars. We got the Vet, Squadra Corsa, and then Butch's other E30. Look at that. Looks so good.
Yeah, I'm not sure how you open it.
Oh, I think those are intakes. Because there's the exhaust. Engine's back there. That's crazy.
And this is the SVR F-Pace.
At least. Wow, they managed to make a new car still look pretty used. That's something else. But look at this, 370Z.
These always look clean. I wish we would have had an Nismo, but still, at least I'm glad they brought something sporty.
Ooh, the new Porsche 992, right? I don't know, it looked a lot better when it was kind of like a shotgun.
Yeah, it's not a shotgun or quad.
So this is it as standard. Yikes. Yeah, you could buy a fully spec'd M5 with that kind of money. The cons always look good though. I do like it. Yeah. Alright, Mercedes. Ooh, the new G-Wagon. Let's look at this thing. Wow. There's something about that mechanical, that's nice.
Wow, it has room now.
Hey, they actually redid this entire.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, it looks.
It's something else. They put it. It's a whole new chassis. It's actually it's 8 inches wider than the last one. The old one was the width of a Ford Focus. Yeah, it was so narrow. This one's 8 inches wider.
The RS5 though, looking good.
I feel like they didn't add enough power to that car. Or it's like frozen satin white.
Yeah, that's pretty. I'm gonna go look at it. Damn. Giving the carbon fiber. Ooh, what is that right there? Do we have some chips? Gabe, look. We have some chips in the carbon fiber.
I probably have this car to bring to events, so someone's
A7, huh? Yeah, that tail light game is on point. Wow, yeah.
Wow, that messed me up. That messed me up.
Yeah, it stayed there, so now it's just interesting.
It's this, but other than that.
That's
Yeah, this is a booster. Full power.
Yeah, I know.
And that, this is pretty, that's pretty, that's pretty. What is this?
Why do you need two of them in the phone?
Oh, this is not, it shouldn't be like this.
It's hard for
If you want to turn on the light, you just gotta touch it.
Cute.
This is probably the highlight of the show. Got some AP Racing brakes. So my brother was telling me that most of this car, some of this car is made out of wood. Means it might float. This is like a $1.6 million car. For those who don't know, it's a Morgan. It's a Morgan Super Speed.
This is, yeah, I honestly don't remember the name of this.
I think it's called Super Speed.
Yeah, it's either Super 8 or Aero 33, I don't remember which one.
Yeah, Simon Cowell used to own this one. We had the MMW Ferrari 458, built by Imperial. And this is technically a coach-built car. You know, there's a bunch of different body pieces, you know, some from Ferrari Design, some from another company, some from another company. But they all had to be fabricated to fit this car. So it's technically a coach-built car. This is and it's called the MMW because there's only two other cars. They had to get this certified through Ferrari, and they had to meet their requirements to do so and pay a bunch of money to have it actually re-bend for that. But now it can, if the owner ever wants to sell it, he can kind of sell it for whatever he wants for. Thank you. So most of Ford is like trucks. Yeah, and there's one or two mid-sized SUVs, but we have the Mustang Bullet here, and then we have this guy, the new Ford GT, but it's in yellow. There's another white one way over there for another booth, but this yellow one here, man, they have two Ford GTs here. That's badass. All right, still not sure if you can see me or not, but I'm gonna end here, guys. Yeah, preview night was fun. I really wish they would have had the new Supra, but I didn't really expect it. Next video is going to be of a 240SX with the 2JZ, so I'm looking forward to that. But until then, guys, thank y'all so much for watching. I'll catch you on the next one.